Hello, and welcome back to the AIC Consulting YouTube channel. Today, we'll be exploring SageX3's user broadcast capabilities. This functionality allows administrators to send targeted messages to specific users or groups within the system. These messages appear prominently at the top of the browser window, ensuring maximum visibility and timely communication. We can use broadcasts for maintenance alerts, operational reminders, general announcements, and important organizational updates. To create a user broadcast, we navigate to the Administration module and select the User Broadcast function. From there, we simply click on New User Broadcast to fully customize our message. This is the broadcast we'll be using for today's example. Don't forget to save. The resource has been saved. Now, every time a user logs into the SageX3 system, they'll be greeted with this user broadcast. Our example reads, "This is a test broadcast. Please ensure all purchase orders are completed by 5 p.m. Let's head back to the User Broadcast function and explore it further. We'll click on the Administration module and select User Broadcast. Here in the User Broadcast function, we see the broadcast we just created. If we click on the Action button, we have options to create a new user broadcast, refresh the list, or export the broadcast list to Excel. For now, we're going to create a new one. So, let's click on the New User Broadcast button. We start with the message type. Here, we have 4 different options: System, Logout, Alert, and Warning. Generally, System and Warning options display an information message style, while Logout and Alert options show a warning message style. For our first example, we chose the Alert option. This time, we'll use the System option. Click on the System option. We'll add a new message. This will be our new message. This is a test broadcast. A new company, AIC Consulting, has joined. Click to learn more about this company. This time, we'll make use of the link field. Adding a link will open an additional web page with more information for users. Let's add a link now. Next, we'll choose our start and end date parameters. We've now selected our dates. Don't forget to save this process. Let's remove the previous broadcast. Okay, the resource has been saved. Our process has been saved. Now let's log out and see the broadcast message in action. Let's log out. Let's log back in and click Sign In. As you can see, the broadcast message is displayed. This is a test broadcast. A new company, AIC Consulting, has joined. Click to learn more about this company. After clicking this message, it will automatically redirect us to the link we set up. So, let's click. And here we have the page that was entered into the link, the AIC Consulting page. Let's go back. So now we have a full understanding of user broadcasts. You might wonder, what are the benefits of using a broadcast? Well, to mention a few, it enhances internal communication, improves collaboration and efficiency, and most importantly, it ensures critical messages reach the correct users promptly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and bye.